Cadet Corina Lindsey of the Eastern Washington University Fighting Eagles, and I would like to give my sincerest thanks to the Military Order of World Wars for choosing me as a recipient of an Award of Merit. Having joined the program in fall and jumping up to the MS-II level in winter, I never expected to be recognized like this. It is strange to think that less than a year ago, I really had no idea what I wanted to do with my life and was planning on getting a degree just to have a degree. But to do something productive and have some kind of future in mind, I started to consider joining the military. I finally decided I wanted to become an officer when my parents, both retired Navy enlisted, started encouraging me that I could go on a step further than them. And I'm glad I joined ROTC, more specifically the Eastern Washington University ROTC. I'm grateful to the cadre and my fellow cadets that have welcomed me into the program with open arms and have been amazing teachers and mentors this whole time. Already, I've learned so much about the Army and leadership, and teamwork and communication, how to read a map, ways to improve your MRE so that they are edible. But really, I'm living the life here in ROTC. Good role models, good friends, maybe not good food, but good memories all the same. But I've also learned how to challenge myself, something I didn't really do in high school, and it has made me proud of the progress that I've made this year. I'm proud to have received this Award of Merit. So once again, thank you to everyone who has supported me thus far, and thank you to the Military Order of World Wars for this award and for your service. I look forward to following in your footsteps.